Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's return to discussion of the euro currency. Start as usual from the daily time frame. Well, yesterday we said that market has hit some intraday targets and has absolutely disrespected this area of resistance, that is the major 618 resistance from that swing to the downside. And by this fact we have suggested that market probably could show some shallow retracement from this recent swing to the upside, that in general could be used by traders who trade on the daily time frame to enter on the long side of the market, because our medium term expectation is that ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, with the 100% extension target that stands around 137, 618 target stands right here, so you can see slightly above these highs. It's around 135.40 area. Also take a look that this line is the monthly pivot resistance 1, so that will be a significant area of resistance. Also take a look that that target stands slightly above the previous highs. It means that these highs probably will not hold, and those stops that have been placed right above these highs will add fuel to the further move to the upside on the market. So if you intend to enter on the short side of the market and you trade on the weekly time frame and higher time frames, do not place stop right above the swing high. But in general you can see the picture that we now expect during the maybe nearest some weeks ahead. So that is our ABCD pattern. Now market stands, you can see above this gold line is monthly pivot point, blue line is the weekly pivot point. Also it's struggling with the weekly pivot resistance 1. So by previous trading session you can see that this retracement that we have expected now is going on, now is happening. So you can see this small black candle during the previous trading session. As we said, this one potential to look for is the area to enter on the long side of the market is that 133, 132.80 area, since this is disrespected level and market very often when it has passed through it by some momentum with absolutely disrespect of this area, very often retests these levels from the other side. Also you can see that daily trend holds bullish well. On the 4-hour time frame we see another ABCD pattern that comes from our reverse head and shoulders pattern. This is left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and market now is starting to work according with this pattern. The targets of the head and shoulders is the distance between the head, top, now in our case this bottom, to the neckline that should be counted to the upside. And I might say that the target calculated like that is very similar and very often stands very close to the 1618 extension of the head and right shoulder of that pattern, A, B, C bottom. I don't have the 1618 extension on that chart, but we have discussed yesterday. I just want to remind that this target stands slightly higher than that level of the weekly ABCD pattern. It stands slightly above it. So we suggest that market probably will proceed with this move to the upside. But currently it stands in the retracement. You can see that 4-hour time frame also has turned to the bearish side. It means that market could show not just AB swing to the downside like here, AB retracement and continuation. Market could show some kind of the ABCD retracement like here, A, B, C, D. This will be probably AB leg. Now we will see some CD retracement and continuation to the downside. And I think that the level that we have specified yesterday is to watch for the potential entry on the long side of the market as 132.80, 133 is still valid. So that's the level to watch for as the potential entry point. Just to remind you that our, as we could say, the point of no return, it's not Our crucial level is right here. Is 4-hour confidence support 132.30, 132.39. That also stands around of the weekly pivot point. If market will continue to move below it and accelerates further to the downside, that will be the warning sign for the bulls, at least in the near term. This will be unwelcome situation that will put under question the force and the strength of the bulls. So currently, logical price action is the ABC retracement to that level and continuation to the upside. That is how market usually develops when some upward trend on the bullish trend is underway. So on the hourly time frame, you could see this potential ABCD pattern. Now we see some levels of the agreement. So if market will start move right from that level to the downside according to this retracement, the first level to watch for 132.90. This is agreement of the 3-8 support from that swing, from that low to that high, and 618 target of that move. Another level to watch for is right here, 133.65 and 100% extension. That is the major area where you should search for potential buy patterns on the lower time frames, maybe on the 15-minute chart. If market will show this BC leg a bit higher, so it will show some deeper move to the upside. Just a minute here on the hourly time frame. So if we suggest that market will move a bit higher by this move, for instance, and that levels will shift, you can see that these levels will drift also a bit higher. Then keep an eye on the targets of that pattern, particularly on the 100% extension target, because right at the completion of this pattern should be formed the signal for the buy opportunity to enter on the long side of the market. Other words, just control and monitor the development of the ABCD pattern. It will point to you the area what to watch for, the potential area to buy. The one thing that we want to escape is this some kind of price action like here. We do not want to see this strong bars to the downside with development of that retracement. Perfectly will be if this retracement will be gradual, as like here. So, because the plunge move to the downside is not welcome and will suggest that market could proceed even lower. If market will show this gradual retracement, well, that's much better. Well, also you can see that we said that previously market could show the retracement. If you're a scalper, you could try to enter on the short side of the market by the double repulse signal that I probably will treat as the lookalike, more like a lookalike pattern, because this consolidation was a bit too extended. But in general, this pattern has worked, and now still market is stands in downward move. So, as the conclusion for today's trading session, we might say that our primary focus will be on this development of this ABCD pattern. Depending on how it will develops, we will look for the potential buy opportunity around that area. It's around 132.65, 132.90, because it will depend on the depth of this and the way how this ABCD pattern will develop. But in general, our overall medium-term expectation is bullish.